Does it sound a little familiar? You're working harder than ever, yet the bills keep piling up. Your paycheck is spent before it even hits your account. And you're stuck wondering, is this it? Is this the life you signed up for? What if I told you there's a way to create a real side income? Something simple, low cost, and completely online. No inventory, no crazy startup fees, just one simple idea selling something everyone needs in today's world. And that's domain names. You see, domains are like real estate on the internet. Every blog, every business, every personal brand starts with one. And with this one opportunity, you can own your very own domain and turn it into a business. So let me introduce you to the WS opportunity. I want you to understand a .ws isn't just another domain. It's your ticket to relaxing money. It's global, it's affordable, and it's easy. Here's how it works. You get your very own WS, you share the opportunity with others, and you earn commissions over and over. And the best part is, it's all set up for you. No tech skills needed. You just follow simple steps that I'm gonna show you right after this, and you start promoting on your social media. Look, I know what it feels like to want more freedom, more time, more security, and more money for your family. This is your simple chance to start small, start simple, but most importantly, start today. So if you're ready to take control, get back with the person that shared this video with you, or click the link below and grab your domain, your 7-day free trial, and just get started. Plus, I'm going to give you a free step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to turn this into a real income. Hope to see you in the community.